Hello kids, welcome to the new video of Kids Color and Brush. A. A for airplane. B. B for balloon. C. C for candy. D. D for donut. E. E for elephant. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Letter F. F for fish. G. G for gun. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Letter F, G, H, I, J. Number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello kids, welcome to Kids Color and Brush. आज हम सीखेंगे डेज ऑफ द वीक. संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. लेट्स स्टार्ट. SUNDAY Sunday. MONDAY Monday. TUESDAY Tuesday. WEDNESDAY Wednesday. THURSDAY Thursday. FRIDAY D A Y, Friday. S A T U R D A Y, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. आज हमने क्या सीखा किड्स? डेज ऑफ द वीक. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.